Hello, fellow wealth seekers. Today, I am thrilled to share with you the insider secrets to financial success in 2024. If you're ready to level up your assets and bank account, you're in the right place. Asset 1: Real estate. Discover how investing in prime properties can secure your financial future. Asset 2: Stocks. Learn the strategies to navigate the stock market and maximize your earnings. Asset 3: Cryptocurrencies. Dive into the world of blockchain technology and unlock the power of digital wealth. If you are new to the channel, then click on subscribe button and hit the notification bell for regular updates. Asset 4: Collectibles. Explore the world of rare treasures and discover how passion can lead to profit. Asset 5: Precious metals. Uncover the stability and security offered by gold, silver, and other valuable metals. Asset 6: Mutual funds. Secure your financial stability with a diverse range of investment options tailored to your goals. Asset 7: Emerging markets. Seize the opportunities presented by developing economies and expand your wealth horizons. Asset 8: Networking. Harness the power of connections and build a supportive community to elevate your financial journey. Asset 9: Vision. Envision your path to riches and take actionable steps towards manifesting your financial destiny in 2024. Thank you for joining me on this enlightening journey through the 9 assets that will make you rich in 2024. Remember, the key to wealth lies within your grasp. Seize it with courage, commitment, and conviction. Here's to a prosperous future ahead.